In this video, we will work through how to use diagram view in Tabular Editor 3. To open a new diagram view, you can click on the New Diagram button. You can hold down the table and drag it to the diagram, or you can select the table or multi-select different tables and right-click, select Add to Diagram. You can add more tables to the diagram by right-clicking on the table name and select Add Tables. You can multi-select the tables here and click on OK. If there are existing relationships between the tables, they will be shown automatically on the diagram. If you have existing relationships built in the semantic model, you can right-click on the table name and add all related tables to the target table. You can also right-click on the table name and add all the tables that filter this target table. If you have a large model and you want to have a clean layout of the diagram, you can right-click on the table name and select Auto Arrange. This will give you a clean and logical layout of your semantic model, especially if you have a large and complex model. To edit relationships between the tables, you can right-click on the relationship arrow and select Edit Relationships. Here you can edit cardinality, bidirectional filtering, row-level security propagation, as well as enablement or disablement of relationships. To open this relationship property window, you can also right-click on the relationship within Relationships folder in the TOM Explorer and select Edit Relationships. To create a new relationship, you can hold down the column in one table and drag it to another. Alternatively, you can also duplicate an existing relationship and change its properties. Hold down Ctrl S. You can save the diagram view for reusability later.
Please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it.